You might not know, but Discord itself offers 1 month free Nitro, and it's in upper left corner over here. Now, this free Nitro offer shows up here in upper left corner about every 2 months, and it's available for the next 9 days after that. Now, if you're 13 or 14, you will need a fully functional mother with a PayPal account to let you use her PayPal account to get the free Nitro. If you don't have a fully functional mother with a PayPal account or with money in the said PayPal account, there's a ghosttogether.net. So this platform is full of Discord users. They post art. They have daily cats. It's a, full-blown community here happening. People just post organic, natural things. There's no algorithms, no ads, no toxic content. It's actually pretty fun. So your account is going to look like this with all these images. And let's see what else they have here. They have free Discord Nitro giveaway. So you claim Nitro by clicking here, upload your avatar, choose your display name. Just make sure that it's a nice avatar. Confirm.